I hope we are all in a good condition, and today on this video I will present to all of you about my survey report. And we all can see in this slide that the title of my survey report is The Different Condition of Cinema Nowadays That Experienced by STH Vocational School Students. And in this context, it's on the pandemic condition. And so without any further ado, let's start my presentation and I hope you enjoy my video. So the first one I will show you guys about the topics that I will present today. So the first one is I will present about the background and then benefit of research and also the fact, research purpose, and then survey question result, conclusion, and also the last one is about suggestion and also recommendations. So the first one I will present about the background first. So about the background. We all know that since the end of 2019, the world is facing a very hard thing. And the main reason is because of the coronavirus from Wuhan, China. And the data from the data that I get is BBC World said that nearly 500,000 people in the early of 2020 were get infected by COVID-19. And also the most worst thing was some of the people from Wuhan were traveling to a few countries and infecting many people. And also at the beginning of 2020, we all know that countries in Europe, Australia, USA, and some countries in Asia make a decision to make a lockdown. And because of the unnoticed virus that has infected someone, it makes a big number of COVID-19 cases. Was about the picture that this thing were due during the pandemic in Indonesia. And we all can see there is a sign over here and also the condition of Indonesia during the pandemic. And things like before that I said that about a lockdown, it's also happened in Indonesia. But in 2020, Indonesia named it as PSBB. And we all know that in 2020, they named it as PPKM. Both are almost the same thing like lockdown, even though most activity were done at home, but they allow some public activity. And also in 2020, the world and Indonesia were introduced by the new normal era, that is to allow some activity for public with a tight, healthy protocol. Moving on to the next slide, I will present about the benefit of research. And the benefit of research. So I will tell you guys what are the benefits of this research. So in this presentation, I will tell you guys that this report aims to tell a solution and giving an alternative way in terms of watching cinema in a different condition nowadays. And there are so many alternative ways to watch cinema in this COVID-19 era. Due to this PPKM era, all cinema in Indonesia were getting close to support the government decisions. And the next part were about the facts. So we all can see around this slide there is some picture that tells the condition of cinema nowadays, that almost all people nowadays were streaming a movie through their devices, through their TV, through their laptop, and any other devices. So through online stream, we all know that we can watch a movie anywhere and anytime. And also there are so many advantages that people can get by watching through an online stream, such as by paying a few prices, people can freely watch a lot of movies. For example, as we all know that in Netflix there are 4 different of package that we can choose with a lot of plus and minus in the future. And also we can watch any devices through one account only, and that's very easy for everyone to do it. And in fact, the unique fact was in this pandemic era, it's a gain for online movie application. By watching through online application movie, it could be more safer and it could be more safer for people rather than they can watch through a physical cinema. And slide were about the research of this purpose. And in this report, I will deliver about the research purpose. So the main reason is I will deliver about the public opinion on the different condition of cinema nowadays and whether the cinema are still needed or not in the future time. And also in this presentation, through a survey question at Microsoft Word, people will have several answer around my question in this survey report, and also people will answer it based on their experience. On to the next slide. So here we go. I will present about the survey question result. So about the result of a survey question, the question was about students that ever come to a cinema. So we all can see in this picture, the question was, do you ever come to cinema in a new normal condition? And the result was the nominated answer was never, and that was answered by 41.7% rather than the other answer. And moving on to the was about the name of cinema, and we all can see in this picture there are a lot of answers that people answer in this question. The question was about what is the name of cinema you visit, and the dominant answer, the most one, was people came to XX1 and Cinepolis Cinema. It's about comfortable level in new normal cinema, and in these questions were categorized by some area in a cinema, and in this question was about lobby area, and the dominant answer was comfortable and so-so. About ticket counter area, and in here the dominant answer was comfortable and less comfort. So we all can see from these two different answer was maybe there are some people that they don't feel very comfort by ordering a ticket through a counter area in this pandemic era. The next one is in the studio entrance. The dominant answer was comfortable in these questions. And the seating arrangement, the most important thing during watching a cinema, the people say that dominant answer in this question was very comfortable, and that was the most dominant answer in these questions. Cinema service, and people in here say that they are very comfortable for the service in the cinema. Moving on to the next topic was about cinema healthy protocol, and we all can see in this slide there are a bar graph here, and we all can see the category how to answer this question. And the question was, how do you rate the healthy protocol in cinema? And we all can see the conclusion in this slide was dominant answer was clean. The next one is how people can pay their cinema ticket in this new normal era. And the dominant answer, through the bar graph here, we all can see that the dominant answer was answered by 5 people, and that was about the cash, not a debit, not an online application app. So cash is still the main payment during this new normal era. Public response for cinema closed during COVID-19 pandemic. And we all can see here that the most answer was answered by 8 people here, and that was the answer was agree about the cinema should be closed during this COVID-19 pandemic, and that was 66.7% of the survey. One is most used online movie app, and the dominant answer in this picture was Netflix. Even though there are so many options here, there is Disney Hotstar and the other one, but Netflix is still the king of online movie apps. That was the reason why they choose that kind of app. And we all can see the most of their answer was some of them is having a different opinion, and the first one is easily to be accessed, and then trusted and safer, and also not too many ads, many movie choices, and also cheaper, and some of them also answer it's a free movie. Payment method in online movie app. So the dominant answer was placed by debit card in these questions, and that was answered by 5 respondents. It's about comfortable level of online movie app. And in here there are 3 answers in these questions, and the dominant answer in this picture was very comfortable, and that was answered by 7 people here. Was about the reason of their comfortable level reason, and through this picture the conclusion that we can see from the 12th answer is watching through online movie app is making a lot of opinions for people. And the first one is we don't need to pay per movie like cinema, and then it's more flexible, like we can watch while doing something else, or we can watch through for example while you folding your clothes and the other thing, and also we can watch the movie anytime. And the next one is the enjoyment level in watching through online movie app, and the dominant answer was very enjoy, and that was answered by 7 people in this slide. Future of cinema, and we all can see that the dominant answer in this slide was placed by, of course, that was answered by 5 people, and that was the red bar graph here, and it could be seen that that was the dominant answer. About the reason, we all can see through this picture and through the conclusion right here that the most of reason for the respondent that still want to come to the cinema is because in the future time they will miss the vibe of cinema, and also some of them answered that they miss to visit cinema with their friends. So it's quite a very different thing by watching through online or through a basic cinema. Like maybe there are a lot of communication that was uh, been in the physical cinema rather than you watch through an online movie app. And also maybe through watching a basic cinema, it could be decreasing individualist for people. And then moving on to the next thing was about the conclusions. Conclusions, all can see through this picture that in conclusion there are so many ways to watch a movie. You can see in these 2 pictures, we can watch through online movie app or you can watch through basic cinema. And it's a choice in this digital era, especially in this pandemic. All cinema were closed during the pandemic situation. But in my conclusion, in the future time, cinema will still be needed. Why? Because we can't get the cinema vibe by watching through our devices. And both are a good choices. I didn't mean that maybe watching Netflix is a bad thing. No, because there are a specific differentiate between cinema and online movie app. It's just how we enjoy both. Like for example, how you enjoy a physical cinema. Oh, I like it because I can talk with other people, I can talk with my friends. Also with maybe by watching through your devices, maybe you can get a lot of silencing, or maybe by watching through your devices, it can make you become not wasting your time anymore by watching through devices. And also through watching online movie app, the most differentiating that I can get here from the point is online movie app is one of the solution for people to watch cinema at their homes. So I believe that online movie app is the most replacement for people to watch cinema in their home. And the next one was about the suggestion and recommendations. And the suggestion and recommendation, and that I will tell you guys there are some suggestion and recommendation for government, cinema company, movie app, and also citizens. So for government, the first one is in this current situation of COVID-19, we need to make sure that safety is number one. So in writer's opinion, it's fine for the cinema to be closed during this pandemic because people still can find their solution to watch cinema by online movie app. And also the second one is for cinema company. So for cinema company during this pandemic condition, it's the right time for them to have a brainstorm for the next plan for cinema. And in the future time, physical cinema should have an interesting impression for the people so they can be interested again to watch in a physical cinema. And the things that they can think right now is like they should think like a promotion package that they can give to people, or another thing maybe like interesting movie that they can post in the cinema, anything that interesting that can be interest people to come back to the cinema again. And then for the third one is for movie app cinema. For movie app, they should add more interesting movie to enjoy by people. Also, maybe they can add a lot of movie, a lot of series, maybe a lot of poster, a lot of promotion in the social media of that movie app, so people can also be interested to download and click that application. And also, a movie app company can make a routine update to decrease an error from the app itself. And the last one is for citizen. It's a choice for us now to watch movie through cinema or through our devices. Every people have their opinion, have their own way to enjoy a movie, but don't forget that the most important thing was we can get a happiness through watching a movie. And that's why it's a choice for us now to watch through cinema or online movie app. So in this video, and I hope this video and this presentation could be useful for all of us that watch this video. So thank you very much for listening and watching this video, and God bless you all.